You know, trying to get your career started in artificial intelligence can feel, well, pretty overwhelming. Where do you even begin? If you're looking for a clear path, a real roadmap to turn your interest into an actual career, then this might be exactly what you need. Let's break down the AIMatrix program, step by step. And this, right here, is the core promise. This isn't just about learning a few new tools. It's designed to be a complete journey. The whole idea is to take you from knowing nothing, get you totally AI ready, and then shape you into a professional that the industry is actually looking to hire. So, where does a journey like that start? Well, it has to start with a solid base, right? Step one is all about building those AI foundations. It's the perfect entry point for, well, just about anyone. The whole idea behind this first level is to make it for absolutely everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner, if you're from a non-technical background, or what you studied in college. This is your starting line. And the main goal is simple: to build up your confidence and make sure you have a really firm grasp on the fundamentals of AI.
So, what's the investment for this first foundational level? It's 9,500 rupees. And that covers all the core concepts and practical tools you're going to need to get started on your AI journey with confidence.
Okay, so what are you actually going to be learning? It's broken down into 3 main areas. First up, you'll get the hang of the core AI concepts to really build up your knowledge. Next, you'll learn about practical AI tools that you can use to boost your own productivity, like right away. And finally, you'll dive into responsible AI and career planning, which is super important for setting yourself up for success in the long run.
All right, once you've got that foundation locked in, it's time to start building on top of it. Let's move on to step 2, which is all about taking those concepts and turning them into practical, job-focused abilities with applied IT skills.
Now, this level is really aimed at folks who are a little further down the road. Maybe you're a final year student, a recent grad, or even someone looking to switch careers. The goal here is to build real, tangible, job-ready skills by mixing what you now know about AI with essential IT knowledge.
For this more advanced, application-focused level, the investment is 18,500 rupees.
This is where the curriculum really starts to dig a little deeper. You'll get into advanced AI workflows that you can use professionally. You'll get grounded in core IT and cloud fundamentals, which is basically the backbone of all modern tech. And you'll start to build an automation and job readiness mindset. It's all about getting you to think and work like a real pro in the tech world.
And that, of course, brings us to the final stage. Step 3, industry mastery. This is where absolutely everything comes together, taking you from someone who's learning into someone who's actually doing.
This is for the people who are serious. We're talking job seekers, career builders. The whole mindset shifts here, from just learning stuff to actually doing stuff. The main outcome is to have you execute real-world projects so you can build a professional portfolio, something solid you can actually show to employers.
For this all-in, portfolio-building level that combines both the advanced AI and IT skills, the investment is 37,500 rupees. So what does mastery actually look like in practice? Well, it's about getting a deep understanding of the whole AI and IT ecosystem. It's about learning end-to-end project planning and execution. And it's about focusing 100% on portfolio-ready career development. This is the stuff that gets you hired. Period.
So to kind of wrap all that up and put it in one place, here's a quick comparison. This table breaks down the whole path. You can see each level, who it's really for, and what its main focus is. This should make it super easy for you to figure out the perfect starting point for your own journey, whether that's just building confidence or going all in on creating a professional portfolio. Okay, so we've talked about the what, but what about the how? Beyond just the curriculum, what makes this whole approach different? Let's talk about the AIMatrix advantage.
Well, one of the coolest parts is what they call the smart learning model. It's all about flexibility. You start with the basics, you upgrade step by step only when you're ready, and here's the kicker, you only pay as you grow. There's no pressure to commit to the whole thing all at once. And get this, no matter which level you jump into, a whole set of resources is always included. You're getting access to AI software and tools, structured learning materials, project frameworks, certifications, multi-language support, and even lifetime access to the sessions. I mean, that's a ton of value packed into every single step you take.
All right, so we've walked through the whole roadmap, right? From the very basics all the way to building industry-ready projects. Now the focus really comes back to you. What's your next move?
Because really, when you boil it all down, that's what this is all about. It's a structured path designed for one single purpose: to help you turn the skills you learn into a career that you can actually build your future on.
You've heard it a million times, right? Every big journey, especially in a field as exciting as AI, starts with that one single step. So now that you've seen the map laid out in front of you, there's really only one question left to ask. What's your first